Hi you guys, we're back. I can't even talk to you about something different. I need you guys' help. Okay, so this year I actually applied for Sephora Squad, which if you are unfamiliar, it is a program that Sephora does every year, and they pick different influencers to be a part of the Sephora Squad. You get so many amazing opportunities. That is why I am here, y'all. I have applied and I would love for you to leave me a testimonial. You have until, gosh, what date is it? I believe it's April 9th. The good thing about this is that you don't necessarily have to have a million testimonials. It's not the people with the most testimonials that win, but it would be amazing if you guys could leave a testimonial explaining why you enjoy my content, why you like chit-chatting it up with me. Is it because I did a giveaway and you won? Is it because I do a million foundation reviews? Is it because I am honest? Like, why do you guys like my videos? Why you guys like my content? I would love if you guys could leave me a testimonial, help your girl out. I really hope to make the Sephora Squad, and I'm considered the underdog in this game, y'all, okay? I don't have the most subscribers, I don't have the most followers on Instagram, but I really enjoy doing this. The link to my testimonials will be below in the drop down description bar below. So if you click that link, it will take you to my testimonials. How many times can I say testimonial? Where you can tell Sephora how you found me, why you like my content, all that jazz. So that would mean so much to me if you guys did it. Thank you guys so much for watching and just being on this journey with me. Thank you. I don't say that enough, but thank you, you guys. And I will see you next time.